In today's video, come shop with me at Kmart Australia for Christmas 2024. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm really excited to share another shop with me video. I'm taking you along to Kmart Australia as they have released their Christmas decor, and I'm so excited to show it to you. I hope you enjoy. Guys, here in Australia, Kmart is our biggest retailer and they've just brought in their Christmas decor, and there is so many amazing finds at affordable prices. I was really in love, guys, with this Santa gravy boat and this adorable gingerbread tray. I can't believe how quickly this year has flown, guys. Does anyone agree with me? I'm just blown away by how quickly this year has gone, and I can't believe there's Christmas decorations in all the stalls already. So guys, thank you for being patient with me regarding uploading this week's videos. Last week I was a little unwell, guys, and my voice was croaky, so I couldn't do any voiceovers, but I have 2 brand new videos for you this week and I can't wait to share them. Leave me a comment down below, guys, if you've started thinking about how you'll be decorating for Christmas this year. Now, I've started to think about how I'll decorate for Christmas this year. I have been inspired by seeing some things on Instagram, guys, and of course seeing stuff here in Kmart. I really think that I'm going to go with red this year, just because I've never ever done red in my living room. I have done red from time to time in a bedroom, but I haven't done red in my living room. So I think I'm going to go very traditional this year. all of us here in Australia will tell you how much we love Kmart. We love them, A, because they have really good quality stuff, guys, but B, because they are very, very affordable. And you can decorate your home beautifully for Christmas with Kmart decor, and it doesn't have to break the bank. Now these beautiful ice buckets just came out on the trolley, guys. I didn't actually get a price on them, but I thought they were beautiful. Australia, guys, we have just gone into spring. Now, I know my overseas friends are enjoying the first weeks of fall as well as preparing for Thanksgiving. So I know all the cozy vibes are happening, but I'm also thinking about Christmas, guys, because you know it's just going to come around the corner so quickly. So being a YouTuber, you need to prepare in advance so we can create videos for you and put them out there so you can be inspired. So I will be uploading a few videos in the next couple of weeks in regards to spring, but then after that I will start my series that I do every year called Christmas with Chelle. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing my passion for home decor. I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, home tours of my home, as well as shopping tours. So if that's something that may interest you guys, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed shopping with me at Kmart Australia for Christmas 2024. I'll be back Friday morning, guys, at 8 a.m. Australian time for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home.